My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I'm a national expert in resolution matters. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I try to tell you the truth within 5 minutes so you don't have to listen to anyone else's crap. Most of the people are just advertising and don't really know what they're doing. So you can imagine after 50 years of doing this, I understand all the tricks, all the scams, all the behaviors of almost all the national companies out there. And today I want to talk to you about something kind of serious. I see all the garbage on my end. People have been ripped off. They've had all sorts of problems with big tax resolution companies. So I want to tell you here's where their scam is so you know what to look for and what to do. So I have a solo practice, a team of people. So when you call me, I hear the case and I talk it over with the person on the team I want to give it to. That's not true with a big tax resolution company. You don't know this, but here's where their scam runs. When you pick up the phone, you're not calling an attorney, you're not calling a CPA, an enrolled agent, a former IRS agent. You're speaking to a salesperson. That person's job is to do one thing: find out what you have in your wallet. That's what their job is. They make a third of the total salary goes into their pocket by getting into there and finding out on how much they can take from you. They do an assessment over the first 5 minutes, and that assessment is to find out how much you're going to pay them. That's what they're there for. And what their job is to do is, if they're making a deal with you to pay over a series of months, your case isn't going to be worked. It's not going to be closed. All they're going to do is to delay the case until you pay your money in full. So if you think that you're giving your money to a firm, a big resolution company, and hopes that they're going to take care of this problem and get rid of it all right away, they're not going to do that. Until you fulfill the terms of that contract, they're going to stall you and grind you and try to hit you up for more money repeatedly over and over. That's their game. So just know that when you give someone a half check, your money isn't going, you're not going to resolve your case till you give them all the check. One of the reasons you want to hire small companies or individual or medium-sized companies is because when you make that phone call, you want to talk to the person who's working your case, who's going to tell you exactly what's going to happen with your case. So don't get caught up with the scam of big companies who are grinding fees at you, having you pay another $400, $500, saying we haven't heard anything. They don't want to hear anything because they want all your money first. Anyway, getting back to the point I made, when you do call a firm and want to find a firm such as ours or thousands, countless other firms, make sure you're speaking to an attorney, a CPA, an enrolled agent, or a former IRS agent, and you will at least hear the truth, and make sure you have a definitive time when your case is going to be closed, how long it's going to take, how much it is going to take, and make sure you don't have any added on fees. The reason these large companies charge so much money, they have a lot of salesmen on payroll to find out what you've got in your pocket. Don't fall for it. So anyway, that's the big scam of the companies. By the way, if this was helpful, please leave me a subscription. YouTube thinks that's very important. It shows I have value. Subscriptions are actually better than likes. Please feel free to leave a comment. I'm going to do another segment on this. What should you do if you get ripped off by a big tax resolution company? So you may want to follow that one too. Once again, subscriptions are great. Thank you so much.